John Riverton. In every culture, faith speaks the same language of hope and resilience. Have you ever wondered if there's more to faith than just religion? What if faith could transcend the boundaries of tradition, reaching deep into every corner of your life, regardless of your beliefs? In this video, we'll look closer at faith's universal power, showing how it can inspire, uplift, and transform your journey beyond religious confines. Today, we dive deep into understanding how faith shapes our lives, communities, and world beyond the traditional frameworks of religion. Join us as we uncover the boundless possibilities that faith offers to guide, inspire, and transform our lives in the most profound ways. This exploration is not just about belief, it's about discovering a universal truth that connects us all, empowering us to lead lives filled with purpose, compassion, and unparalleled hope. Let's explore how this timeless force can be a guiding light, offering us a path toward compassion, fulfillment, and positive change in our communities. Join me as we unlock the simple yet profound secrets of faith that can enrich your life and the lives of those around you. Let's begin by redefining faith, not as a component tethered to rituals and scriptures, but as an innate human experience that transcends cultural and religious borders. Across history, various cultures have celebrated faith as a cornerstone of human existence, often independent of religious frameworks. These perspectives illuminate faith's profound impact globally, fostering communal bonds and guiding ethical conduct. However, misconceptions often blur the lines between faith and institutionalized religion. It's vital to distinguish that while religions are systems of organized beliefs and practices, faith itself is a personal, often profound sense of trust or confidence in something greater than oneself. This distinction clarifies that one can practice faith without adhering to a specific religious tradition. In personal development, faith acts as a compass that can guide us through life's challenges, fostering resilience and inner peace. It supports individuals in their pursuit of personal growth by instilling a sense of purpose and direction. Community building also heavily leans on the pillars of faith. Shared faith can act as a powerful tool for fostering social harmony and solidarity, especially evident in how diverse communities can unite under common values and visions for the betterment of all. From a scientific standpoint, psychology and neuroscience have begun to underscore the benefits of faith, noting its positive effects on mental health, stress reduction, and overall well-being. These insights validate the experiences of countless individuals who find solace and strength in their faith. Ethically, faith often motivates actions that go beyond personal gain, encouraging behaviors that uplift others. This is reflected in the universal values upheld across various faith traditions. Values like compassion, justice, and integrity that promote a global ethical outlook. Faith remains incredibly relevant in modern society, even as secularism grows. It adapts and thrives, providing a stable foundation for identity and values amidst rapidly changing social landscapes. Personal stories from around the world highlight how faith has not only transformed individual lives, but also transcended religious and cultural boundaries, inspiring acts of tremendous courage and altruism. Moreover, faith-driven initiatives continue to foster significant positive changes within communities, illustrating faith in action. However, practicing faith outside organized religion's framework has challenges and criticisms, often concerning the lack of communal support and structured guidance. Meditation and mindfulness practices enhance the power of faith, aiding individuals in cultivating a deeper, more introspective relationship with their beliefs. These practices also assist in managing negative emotions and fostering ethical mindfulness, which can translate into everyday decisions that reflect one's faith. Additionally, faith plays a crucial role in the quest for happiness, providing a lasting sense of fulfillment and contentment that is not contingent on external circumstances. Globally, diverse cultural approaches to faith not only emphasize its universal nature, but also its ability to adapt and resonate with a broad array of human experiences and societal developments. Through these explorations, we see how faith enriches lives, offering paths to compassion, empathy, and an ethical life that connects deeply with our pursuit of happiness and understanding across cultures. Across the globe, faith-driven initiatives are revolutionizing communities, proving that faith has a vital role outside traditional religious structures. These initiatives range from interfaith outreach programs that foster peace in diverse communities to faith-based charities that address global poverty and health crises. Despite these successes, embracing faith without the structure of organized religion presents challenges, such as a lack of communal support and guidance, and often faces criticism for lacking formal, doctrinal backing. To navigate these waters, many turn to meditation and mindfulness, practices that deepen one's connection to faith while enhancing mental and emotional resilience. These practices not only support individuals in their spiritual journeys, but also equip them with the tools to manage stress and anxiety more effectively. Similarly, faith naturally cultivates compassion and empathy, urging individuals to look beyond their own experiences and connect with the universal struggles and joys of humanity. Moreover, faith encourages individuals to confront and manage destructive emotions. Techniques such as reflective meditation or prayer can transform anger or despair into understanding and peace, fostering healthier personal and community relationships. This leads to ethical mindfulness, where everyday decisions are influenced by a deep sense of responsibility and moral integrity guided by one's faith. The pursuit of happiness, too, is profoundly shaped by faith. It provides a framework that uplifts and supports, adding a layer of meaning and purpose to life that enhances personal and collective well-being. Lastly, exploring global perspectives on faith reveals its diverse expressions and how different cultures integrate spiritual practices into their daily lives, underscoring faith's universal and unifying aspects. Each culture contributes unique insights into how faith can bridge the divides between people, fostering a more inclusive and empathetic world. Navigating through life's turbulent emotions can be daunting, but faith offers us a powerful toolkit for managing these challenges effectively. It teaches us to recognize and address negative emotions, not with avoidance, but with understanding and patience. This approach transforms our inner conflicts into lessons of growth, and resilience. Ethical mindfulness plays a crucial role in our daily lives. By integrating the principles of our faith into everyday decisions, we cultivate a lifestyle that honors our deepest values. This commitment to living ethically is not just about avoiding harm, but actively doing good, creating ripples of positivity that extend far beyond our immediate circle. Faith also significantly influences our pursuit of happiness. It provides a deep well of joy and satisfaction that doesn't rely on external circumstances. This inner happiness is more stable and enduring, helping us navigate life's ups and downs with a sense of peace and fulfillment. Looking around the world, we see a myriad of ways that different cultures engage with faith, each enriching our understanding of its universal nature. These global perspectives show us that, while the expressions of faith may vary widely, the core of what faith means to the human spirit remains the same, connecting us across boundaries through shared experiences of hope, strength, and compassion. As we've explored today, faith holds a remarkable power to transform lives and bridge divides across cultures and communities. It's more than just belief. It's a dynamic force that fosters universal connection, ethical living, and deep-seated happiness. This power of faith is a personal journey and a global movement towards greater compassion and understanding. If this exploration of faith's transformative impact resonated with you, please like this video and consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful content. Your support helps us share these powerful messages with a wider audience, continuing our journey to uncover the profound influence of faith in the modern world.